Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mohammad Fakhrul Sajib. This is Java Tutorial 1 new series. Today we are going to learn how to print a line of text to the screen using NetBeans IDE. If you are first time watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and select all to get all the notifications of my channel. This is our favorite NetBeans IDE. Java is a popular programming language. Now I will first create a new project. File, new project, Java application, click next, give a name, hello world. See each word I'm beginning with capital letter H, capital letter W, capital letter hello world. This is called Pascal case. Use this convention. Project location I'm giving D, folder my Java tutorials. Click finish. Hello world. My project this one. Source hello world. Hello world Java. Hello world Java. And first these things I'm deleting this one. I don't need it. This class name is hello world and this main method. If I want to print something, I have to write system dot out dot print. To print string values, I'm just giving the double quotation hello world. You have to give double quotation, then write the text. System.out.print, this is print method, and you have to give the semicolon. First I am saving this. Now I will run this project. F6 is keyboard shortcut. Hello world. Hello world is here. See, to print a line of text, you have to use system.out.print, then you deserve sentence or text. Suppose I want to give this new line. Build successful will be give new line. It will print in the new line. To do this, you just have to add ln. Print ln. Now I'm saving this one. Then you will get new line here. I'm again run this one. See, we got the new line build successful here. Hello world. This is on hello world. You can also easily write system.out.println. Just you have to give SOUT. Then keyboard shortcut press tab. This is so easy. I'm giving writing my name MDFakhrul Sajib. Saving this one. Run project. See my name. Hello world. Mohammad Fakhrul Alam Sajib. Suppose I'm again SOUT. Press tab and to insert my number 0123456789. Suppose I want to print this on also. See 0123466789. This is the output. Do not worry if you do not understand the code. I will discuss it in detail in upcoming tutorials. For now, focus on how to just run the code and how to show the text to the screen using NetBeans IDE. One thing I want to say that Java is case sensitive. Sensitive. Java, one thing you must remember that Java is case sensitive. If you write one like my class and another where you have write my class, this is not same in Java. My class all small letter and this is my M capital letter and C capital letter. This is not same in Java because Java is case sensitive. I hope that you understand how to print a line of text to the screen using NetBeans IDE. Thank you for watching this video.